For sale, 2020 Kenworth T680 tri-axle dump truck. For sale is a professional-grade tri-axle dump truck built for demanding heavy-duty operations, ideal for contractors, aggregate haulers, paving crews, and companies requiring a reliable, high-capacity workhorse. This truck provides the strong road presence, stability, and handling performance expected from a purpose-built Class 8 platform, allowing operators to move material efficiently while maintaining control across varied terrain and job site conditions. Its dump configuration is designed for productivity, offering the volume and structural integrity needed for continuous loading cycles, large material payloads, and rigorous daily use. The cab provides a comfortable, functional environment for long workdays, supporting driver focus with clear visibility and an ergonomic layout. The truck presents clean, well-kept cosmetics and reflects disciplined fleet upkeep, making it ready for immediate deployment into active service. For operations seeking a durable, high-capacity dump truck capable of supporting heavy workloads with consistency, this unit represents a strong and practical investment.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.